With decimation and RapidPipeline, you can reduce the polygon count of your asset easily, making it lightweight for real-time use. This trainer shoe model has 140k faces. It's a bit too high poly for a single asset. Manually decimating is technically possible, but very tedious and time-consuming. That's where RapidPipeline steps in. Inside RapidPipeline for 3ds Max, you'll find several actions. For this case, we'll use Decimate Mesh. You can adjust settings like the face target or mesh normal preservation. There are also some advanced settings like deviation target. This will adapt your face target automatically if necessary to meet your deviation, acting like a quality assurance step. In this case, we'll simply set the face target to 50,000 and hit run. The shoe has now been decimated to around a third of the original face count. It's significantly lighter and ready for real-time use. Depending on your needs, you may want to enable preserve topology to force the preservation of topological features like holes, or use our smart size on screen target. Please note that the Decimate Mesh action preserves the UVs as they are. If you want to bake atlases, you can take a look at the Decimate and Bake Atlas action. Optimize your models fast, flexibly, and effortlessly with RapidPipeline for 3ds Max. Try it for free or chat with our human team right on the website.